Hello, my name is Connie Liu. I'm an undergraduate at MIT, and today we're going to be talking about social behavior of animals. So, a lot of social behaviors are actually very selfish. It's all for themselves, dog eat dog world, and a lot of individuals, in order to survive in their environment, are very selfish. They want to benefit themselves, and then hopefully they exclude their competitors from that. So, that means people steal food or they always consider their own good over the other. But then there's also behaviors that are known as altruistic. And these behaviors are important because they actually reduce individual fitness but increase the fitness of the group as a whole, so the population. Um, and the reason that this still makes evolutionary sense is because when individuals carry out altruistic behavior, they're actually increasing their fitness because altruism um, increases the chance of genetic representation of that organism by preserving its potential mate. So if like I'm helping out or I go to volunteer, I'm helping out because I'm increasing the survival of the people around me, which means that I'm technically preserving potential mates or protecting those who have similar genes to me, which means my species will continue to live on. That's probably not the reason I'm thinking of when I go to volunteer, but if you look at animals, a lot of behaviors such as when a squirrel or a gopher calls out to the rest of their herd to warn them that they hear a predator, by calling out, they're making themselves a larger target, but it helps the community or the population as a whole, which is why they do it. They want to increase their population's fitness in order to, one, give them a better chance of finding a potential mate or preserving those potential mates, and second off, to protect those who have similar genes to him or her in order to prolong their species as a whole. So that's the main basis of altruism and social behavior that occurs. But if you look at it from the selfish perspective, altruism is technically based in selfishness because you're trying to preserve your own survival of the fittest in order, but your way of doing that is by helping others. So it's kind of counterintuitive, but makes sense in a way.